Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Yes.
We'll
Good
be
evening,
starting in 3 minutes. Actually, we'll start at 4:45.
Yeah, please. Okay.
voice नहीं
Good evening, Vinod Bhai.
Yes, good evening, Jayesh bhai. We'll be starting in 2-3 minutes.
No issues. Hello.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Am I audible to
Good
you?
evening, sir.
Yeah. We'll be starting actually the demo. I have shared the agenda. Myself, Vinod Tulsiani, and my colleague Vinod Parmar and Shweta Yadav also joined in the meeting. And we'll be showcasing the departure messages, that is SDM. As you already started with SAM, it is very much similar to SAM. I'll be explaining you the process for filing of departure, the SDM departure option. So first, I'll go through with the agenda I have prepared. So this will be our major agenda for today's presentation. First, we'll be having to know actually what is the difference between currently we are filing EGM and what will be the changes in SDM, what data is required. Then when we have to file SDM, then we'll be looking at filing at, I'll be showcasing the live software also. I'll be showcasing how to file the nil cargo SDM. Then what kind of data is included in SDM. Then majorly our focus will be on export cargo, how to enter the data and how to, club the shipping bills, multiple type of shipping bills. Then later on, I'll be providing you some general information that will not be specifically to SDM only, but general eSeaManCloud and general information I'll share with you how the things are working at under SCMTR. Then I'll be providing you some general recommendations, actually how to a kind of SOP, which you can, these will only be suggestions. Actually, these things help you out actually to file using proper method. So first thing first, the difference between currently we are filing EGM and SDM. So when currently we are filing EGM, we are required to provide only shipping bill number, date, packages, means a smaller information is required for filing of current EGM, and it is based on shipping bill. And for now, for SDM, we have the base point is BL data. Like in EGM, we only have to mention the shipping bill number and shipping bill date, packages, and the container information. But in current system SDM, we are required to include all consignor, consignee details, whatever the BL data is available, that we have to enter. So the major difference will be, it will be BL based. Now the SDM will be BL based instead of only the shipping bill based. So we have to provide BL data along with our shipping bill reference number. So this will be the major difference. Lots of data is required to be keyed in. We have provided some options to fetch these data from JSON files in case you are already having your ERP software, or you can fetch the data from Excel file, as currently you are doing for SAM. Similarly for SDM also, you can fetch the data from Excel file, and in case you need, you can enter the data in the software also. Now the second part is when to file the SDM. Currently, when EGM, you are filing EGM, there is no prerequisite. You have to file whenever you want, means it is not prerequisite to file, the IGM and then EGM or something like that. But in case of SDM, we have to complete the cycle. First, we have to file SAM, then we have to file entry inward, and then only we can file our SDM. So SDM is not a standalone message. That is comes under the cycle. As previously also I have shared these details that under SCMTR, we have to complete the cycle of filing messages. SAM, SCI, SDM, departure manifest, and then SDN, departure notification. So currently SAM and SCI is currently live at customs. SDM is going to be, as per the notification, it is going to be live from 31st March, 1st April. 31st March is the last date. So if extension is not given, then from 1st April, we are required to file the SDM messages. So before filing SDM, we have to complete successfully file SAM and SCI message against that quotation number. Now we'll come to the next point, how to file nil cargo SDM. I'll be now sharing my software screen so that we can understand how to enter the details. Hope you are looking at my eSeaManCloud cloud screen. Now to get started. Yes. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Now to get started with, when we are filing our first message, SAM, we may have already filed the vessel master data and voyage details. For reference only, I'm just, fetching any vessel detail or keying in some vessel details so that we can understand how things work. So for vessel details, normally we do not require to enter these details for filing of SDM because in our SAM file, we may have already created this SAM voyage and, the vessel master data. This is the voyage detail. Rotation number, as you already know, you can fetch from IceGate website. I'm just keying in some dummy data. Okay. And VCN number. ASC and ASA are able to file this SDM message, and ANC can file, the CS and SCX message. And the process for filing of SDM and SCX is similar, only the difference being complete vessel data is not required to be keyed in SCX. Otherwise, everything is similar to filing of SDM and SCX.
Sir, this is Vinod from CrossTrade.
Yeah.
Sir, in this vessel type, FI,
Yes. Yes.
when we have to keep FI and when we have to keep II?
Okay, similar to SAM, when the last port is Indian port, in case of SAM, if the last vessel calling port is Indian port, then we have to keep II. And in case it is foreign port, last port is foreign port, then FI. And similarly in SDM, in case next port of loading is foreign port, then we have to keep it FI. And in case next port of loading is Indian, then we have to keep II. Like here, I am entering the last port is say AEJEA. So in this case, SAM will be FI because our last port is foreign port and current port is Mundra port. Now, in case of STM, in case the next port of loading is Indian port, then we have to mention II. And in case next port is foreign port, then we have to mention FI. Like here, the next port of loading is LKCMB, so it should be FI.
Okay, noted, sir.
Okay. Now this vessel detail is now completed. Now, we were having on the agenda how to file the nil cargo SDM. For filing of nil cargo SDM, only thing we required is vessel and voyage details, and we can now generate the SDM file for that vessel, and then we can generate the file and upload this to IceGate. Now, when we are validating, one thing is job number is not assigned. We are going to assign the job number here. Then data is validated successfully. The warning message is, there are two warning messages. One is no cargo information. That means we are generating SDM without cargo. We do not have any cargo in that. Then the second message is expected departure date is less than the current date time. So this is recently being implemented at IceGate. In case we have any, previous date and time for departure, then IceGate is not accepting. So in short, actually, we have to file our SDM before departure of our vessel from the port. So this expected departure date has to be a future date and time. Okay, and this is for nil cargo. We have to enter only the voyage details and then generate the SDM departure menu. This is it. This file we have to generate and sign in on IceGate using JSON file, and we can upload, and we can successfully file the SDM file. Okay, next on the agenda is what type of cargo is included in SDM. The cargo can be for SDM. There are majorly three kind of cargos. One is coastal cargo. In case there is India to India movement of cargo in the vessel, that has to be in the coastal cargo. The second one is transit cargo. The transit cargo is whatever lying on the vessel. That transit cargo has to be mentioned in our SDM. Both these coastal cargo and transit cargo, both are included in SAM also and SDM also. So in our software, in case we are entering the details in coastal cargo here in documents menu and transit cargo here, so it will be included in SAM as well as SDM also. So SDM is at the, there are these two kind of cargos are declared in our SAM also and in SDM also. Now the third kind of cargo is basically the export cargo, which having shipping bill references. So mainly we'll be focusing on that option. There are various scenarios for export cargo BL. First, I'll show you my presentation. Only these are the type of cargos we have to include in SDM. The coastal cargo, in case going any cargo from Indian to Indian port, then transit cargo, whatever is lying on the vessel, that has to be mentioned. And then finally the export cargo, which is having a shipping bill reference. Now for export cargo, there are various scenarios in the trade. I have outlined some of the scenarios here. Like we are having a single shipping bill number, shipping bill reference, and we have a one BL. So this is the first kind of scenario where we have a shipping bill and we have a single BL. So that is the first kind of scenario. The second scenario will be we are having a BL where multiple shipping bills are to be consolidated. So these are this is the second scenario where we have multiple shipping bills, but we generate only the single BL. And the condition is, in case we are generating a single BL having same consignor, single consignor and single consignee details in various multiple shipping bill. So this is the second scenario. In case we are having 2 or 3 multiple shipping bills and having same consignor and consignee details going to the same port, and we are going to generate a single BL. So that will be the second scenario. The third scenario will be we are having a single BL against multiple shipping bills having different consignor and consignee details. Means we have 2 or 3 separate shipping bills having a different set of consignor and consignees, and we want to combine into single shipping bill. So I'll be explaining all 3 scenarios here. First, I'll start with single BL. In case you have any confusion in this, you can raise the queries in between. So it will be much more easier to answer.
Sir, I am Mr. Preeti from Bothra Paradip.
Yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt. Today, one vessel sailed from Dhamra.
Right.
That vessel consigner is same.
Okay.
But made to ship 3 and 3 BL.
300?
BL 3 made to ship and 3 BL. Same consignor, same consignor.
3 shipping bills.
Not no shipping bill. Shipping bill is one.
Okay.
Shipping bill is one.
Okay.
Quantity shipping bill is one. Quantity, for example, 60,000. That's 60,000, but made to ship 3 and 3 number BL also.
3 BLs against a single shipping bill.
Against a single shipping bill.
Single shipping bill. So this is the first case scenario where you have to enter 3 BLs and mention the same shipping bill number in the entry. This is the first case scenario where you have to enter 3 BL details mentioning the single shipping bill. Okay, I'll show you here. I'll show you now. You are telling me that you are asking you have multiple three BLs mentioning the single shipping bill reference having multiple quantities, right? Different quantities.
Multiple, yes, you're right, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is the first case scenario where you have to enter 3 separate BLs and mention the same shipping bill reference in your entry. And this is the first scenario I am explaining it to you now while entering the data. Now we are on to one shipping bill and one BL. Okay, so here you have to enter the entry in departure menu, cargo departure entry, where you have to mention all the BL details. What you were telling me that you are having three BLs and single shipping bill. So you have to enter 3 BLs here, 3 entries you have to do, and mention the shipping bill reference here. I'm just going to upload a shipping bill which is not enabled for users, but this is later on. Actually, I'll plan to enable the users from getting the shipping bill PDF data to fill up the details. This is first. I'll show you the shipping bill. This is the reference shipping bill I am having. And we are going to enter the data from here. Okay. I've just uploaded the PDF file and I'm going to import the data. Okay, now this is the data from the shipping bill.
This is the excellent.
Okay, but this is not enabled for users. We will be actually looking for options to optimize the infrastructure and later on. But we'll discuss this topic later. The data is fetched from the shipping bill, so we do not have to enter the data manually. Now for single shipping bill, in case you are having multiple BLs, so you have to divide the quantities here and enter the BL number 3 times. The PCN number has to be remain same. This is the PCN number which we got from our shipping bill reference. So the flags will be, this is very much important for entering the SDM data or SCX data. The flags has to be matched. In case of single shipping bill, state BL has to be selected. Then this will be our BL number. Then this has to be our shipping bill reference, S shipping bill reference. This has to be PCN number, and this will be the PCN number which is mentioned on the shipping bill reference, shipping bill copy. Okay, now consolidated PAN we have to enter. Then master BL is not required because this is itself is a master BL.
sir.
Then yes.
मैं बैलेंडर से बात कर रहा हूँ वैजाग से।
हाँ।
ये BL नंबर है ना, ये मास्टर BL का नंबर डालना, नहीं तो मैं क्या समझा शिपिंग बिल का नंबर डालना समझ रहा हूँ मैं।
मास्टर BL होगा तो मास्टर BL का नंबर डालने का है।
ओके सर।
Okay.
ये नीचे
So
मास्टर BL नंबर ये भी है, ये BL नंबर एंड मास्टर BL दो है ना।
हाँ, this master BL number is not to be entered in this one. ये master BL means in case you want to consolidate this BL into something, you have multiple house BLs and you want to consolidate, then only you need to enter the master BL detail here. And this can be left.
For LCL shipment, this should be entered. This is applicable for LCL shipment.
Yes. And I have seen actually some of the users are keying in the same BL number here. This does not make any difference, but this is not required. Like we have mentioned the BL number here, and some of the users are entering the master BL also same. So this is okay in case you are doing it, but this is not required. So this master BL, in case you are having a single BL only, you are not consolidating multiple BLs into single BL. So this master BL detail is not required here in this case only. So I'll be explaining further actually in case you are having house BLs or multiple shipping bills in a single BL. So in that screen, we require master BL data to consolidate the data. Okay. And Other details are same. The major difference being, I told you, one is we have to select straight BL. We are entering only single BL against single shipping bill reference. So we have mentioned the single BL. Then second important thing is we have to mention TC. Previously, actually, I was suggesting this foreign transit has to be done. In YouTube video, actually, I have provided that foreign transit, but IceGate is asking to provide, the TC, foreign transshipment flag, while generating the export cargo. And for specific mention, I have pointed out here also to use the TC for export cargo. Okay. Now, this is the total number of packages. In case we are having a single BL against single shipping bill, then our total packages is captured here. So we can mention the total packages in case we are generating multiple BLs against, against multiple BLs against a single shipping bill, then we have to divide those packages here. Then all other things are already populated. I'm bypassing these things. Then consigner code is also populated. IEC populated. Consigner state is, optional. Everything is populated perfectly. Notify what and what other thing I have observed is in case there is no data, many users are entering some dummy data in each and every column. All columns are not mandatory. Like the PAN of notify party, this is not mandatory. You can keep it blank. Some users are entering NA or something or dot, so that is not required. In case of only mandatory fields, if it is not accepting, then only you have to provide NA or dash kind of thing. Instead of actually some of the users are raising hands, they can unmute and ask me instead. So we can, yeah.
Vinodji, myself Bharat Waria from Inskip Jamnagar.
Yes.
Yes, sir. My query is if SDM has to file prior departure of the vessel, then means we may not have the exact correct data in hand. And in case of dry cargo vessels, some shippers are not releasing BLs; they are using met receipts.
Yes.
So how to accommodate this requirement here?
Actually this has been raised various times with IceGate also. So this is not actually, I am not authorized or I am not capable or enabled to answer this query, because these are the things not in case of bulk, but in container also. After sailing the vessel, BL is generated. But
yeah, that's correct. There are high chances that export data will be changed after sailing of the vessel.
But this is the case actually has to be raised with the IceGate. So this is not the proper actually platform, or I am not actually capable to answer this query. So this actually has to be raised with IceGate actually. How in case of departure. But initially I can tell you that initially actually there is no such kind of thing like penalty or everything in their document, in their the notification also. They have mentioned that up to 45 days actually they are not going to penalize for thing. But this has to be raised with the customs. So I'll not be able to answer that.
So thank you, Vinod.
Oh yeah, okay. So this is the data. Actually, we are entering the BL detail. We have completed the BL data. Now we'll just click on save. This data is completed. Now in cargo items also HS code is fetched from.
This data can be uploaded through Excel file?
Yes, it can be uploaded.
The same file as of import files?
Yes, same file which you are using for SAM file arrival.
Yes.
Only thing is you have to mention the proper flag. Like you have to mention in cargo type as EX, then you have to mention cargo movement as TC.
Okay.
Everything remains same. So whenever you upload that Excel file, data will be shown in cargo departure menu. In case actually IM flag is given, then data will be shown in arrival menu. So that same file can be used for import and export also.
Okay, thank you.
For the users, a question in the chat box.
Okay. Yeah, you can read out. Shweta.
how to find rotation details from IceGate, and the IMO code related queries, how to find IMO from the IceGate.
Okay. IMO is actually, you can just, I have provided the link also. This is irrelevant question, but this IceGate VCN inquiry option is given here. You just have to click on that. Based on IMO and ETA, you can get the rotation and, VCN details. We'll take in case of SDM questions, we'll take here, or otherwise actually we'll explain later. In cargo items, we have entered the details by clicking the auto button. HSN code is already mentioned in that shipping bill, so that is populated. In case of equipment details, we have to enter the container details. I'll be just entering the container details from. Yes.
Sorry, sir. Sir, can you provide that what time you are able to provide this type of that upload facility?
That is not currently in pipeline. Actually, this is I have to check. Actually, the basic functionality is ready, but I have to test the workload. Actually, the infrastructure. In case I provide, then it will create a major workload on my server. So that is not currently in pipeline. But later on, actually, it is not decided yet. But later on additional charges basis, or something else, we can work it out on that. So this is
okay,
not currently in the pipeline.
But if that available, then this is correct data will be.
Yes. I'm sure. Actually, I'll be doing that. But this is not the point of discussion now. I'll be doing that, but I have to work it out because multiple users are, in case multiple users are uploading this shipping bill detail on the server, then it can create, I have to test it out for my, infrastructure bandwidth and everything. So that has to be considered in mind, and then I'll be doing it. Ultimately, I have to do it. I have generated the utility, so that has to be done. But formalities have to be completed. Actually, I have to work it out how I can offer to users.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now this equipment details I am keying in, and I am keying in container data. Yes.
सर ये आपने जो ऑप्शन बताया कार्गो इन्फो में शिपिंग अपलोड करने का, तो ये कंटेनर डिटेल सब ऑटोमेटिक फेच होगा या
नहीं, कंटेनर डिटेल नहीं होगा, because container details are limited. Only container number is given in shipping bill. If you can see the shipping bill copy, only the container number and seal number is available in that. So that's why I have not fetched that container details, because everything else, the container size, load status and everything, that you have to do it manually. The seal type also. Only thing available in shipping bill PDF file is equipment number, that is container number and seal number. So for that, actually, I do not find any, worth to populate all the containers, and then users have to, modify the data for each and every container. So that is not worth copying. So I have left it out.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, got my point. Only two things are available in this thing. In shipping bill, the container number and seal number. That's it.
Sir, this is Vinu from CrossFit. I have a question.
Yeah.
Once the SDM is done, can we amend the quantity, or what is the procedure for amending the quantity?
No, amendment is not yet live on IceGate, and I'm regularly testing it with some of the users, but still actually SDM is not, SDM amendment is not getting successful, or SAM also. SAM I have tested, some 8 to 10 days back, but that is also not getting successful. So amendment is not live, but ultimately actually amendment will be done through this software only. So whenever it is going to be live, then only we can file the amendments. Okay, now that now I have entered the equipment details. Now I'll enter the cargo itinerary. Yeah.
Sir, Santanaraj from 5 asked.
Yes.
That container, other than container cargo, general cargo, what we can do, equipment details?
That you can just click on auto button. So automatically, automatically it will
at the agent plan everything required, or only auto button only enough?
No, only auto button is there. this is the auto button. This, in case you press here, so automatically, actually, I'm just pressing it here. So this is for, you know, bulk.
Yeah,
so automatically this will be populated. So no need to enter the manual data. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, one more question.
Yes.
Sir, if a vessel is arriving with import cargo, discharging at a port with some other agent, and it is fixed for loading for another agent.
Okay.
So the SAM can be filed by one agent and the SDM can be filed by another agent. Is there possibility, or what is the solution for that?
Whatever the data available in under you know, single rotation number, that has to be taken into account. So I don't know actually if this is very much technical question to customs. How you are filing for VCN. In case actually the rotation data is available on you know, IceGate website with the same agent code, then that agent can only be only is authorized to file your SCMTR messages. Got my point? Means you have to be your PAN has to be mentioned in that you know, the rotation details to file your this export cargo. Okay.
So basically, sir, the import agent who is there, he can only be able to file the SDM also.
Or otherwise you have to create, I don't know actually if it is possible or not for you. You have to create your own VCN number. You have to file your own, you know, details and get the separate VCN number to file that. So you have to file your SAM blank SAM, and then you can file, you know, the SDM. The cycle is actually to complete the first year to file SAM and single rotation and single PAN number. I don't know actually how custom is handling that. Question was raised to IceGate also, but I'm not sure if actually that was answered or not. But this you can raise with you know, IceGate or customs, so that you get the clarification. My only point is I'll show you this actually vessel is showing. I'll just explain you. What I'm telling you, I just explain you. This is the IMO code. Okay, now this is the rotation number generated, and this is the MLO PAN. Now, whoever is generated this rotation number with this MLO PAN, they can only file their SAM or SDM, any message. In case you want to file SDM based on this MLO code has to be mentioned. This is, I'm talking about the technical thing. Now this vessel agent has filed SAM, and now it is transferred to some you know, other agent. So that PAN has changed. Here the PAN will not change. So this MLO has to file their SDM. So this you have to ask actually the custom people or IceGate people actually how they are going to do that. They can actually, you know, guide you how to separately file these things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Noted.
Yeah. Now we were at this arrival menu. Now our entry, cargo departure entry is completed. Now we have completed single BL with single shipping bill reference. In case one of the user has asked, in case they are having multiple BL against this same shipping bill number is here and shipping bill PCN is here. So they have to enter the second time the BL number 002 and mention the packages, and they have to generate the 3 BLs so that they can you know, file this thing. Now we have completed this single BL and single shipping bill. Now later on we have to assign the line number is in case actually auto line is assigned. But I'll keep on, you know, we have created state BL, export cargo. So one line number is assigned. Now this is our complete BL with line number 1. We can generate our SDM file or SCX file in case actually CSN has to be filed, and then sign it and upload to iSCADE. Okay, so this is the first case scenario. Now the second case scenario will be, yes.
Entry.
Hello.
Right?
Yeah, now the second case scenario.
Sir.
Where, hello, yes.
Just to clarify that shipping bill, one shipping bill, 3 PL.
Yes.
So can you tell me again, sir, that I am not understand.
Okay, this is the one BL I have entered. You understood, right?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, now we have to enter the second BL. Now we can just click on, carry button or new button, carry button. I'll be entering the BL number.
Okay.
002 and mention the same shipping bill reference, same shipping bill details. Okay. And save it. So it will, and the packages will be splitted like in 3350 packages are total shipping bill packages. So now it will be say 350 in one BL, then 3000 in second BL. So this way you can create multiple BLs and generate the SDM file.
Package same,
totally. Package and weight.
Yeah.
Package and weight will be different. So this has to be divided into multiple BLs. This is the total shipping bill packages and total shipping bill weight. So that you have to divide into 3, whatever the BL contains. So clear? Okay. Now this is the only BL we have entered, and we have consumed all 3,350 packages and gross weight, total gross weight we have mentioned 15,000. In case of multiple, then we can divide these packages and mention the same consignee details and mention the same PCN number and generate a second BL. And now the second case is we are having a single BL against multiple shipping bills, and consignor and consignee details are same. Again, I am opening this, the reference shipping bill. This is the reference shipping bill. Now, in case this is the only shipping bill we are having now for testing, but in case multiple shipping bills having same consignor and consignee details, the same consignor and consignee details, and we want to create merge into a single BL, multiple quantities. So this is the second scenario I'm going to explain you now. Okay, now in case of multiple shipping bills, I'm deleting this entry. Whatever we have done. Okay, instead of deleting, I'll change the voice number so that it remains separately. Now for multiple shipping bills having same consignee and consignor, we have to get into cargo departure multi-SB option. Here only details we have to mention are these. No mention of consignee and consignor details here. So whatever the details we will enter here, we can just copy and paste from the vessel IMO. Then we have to select house BL. Then this will be in case of multiple shipping bills, we will not be having a BL number. So some user was asking that they are entering the shipping bill number here. So here actually in case you do not have any BL number, then iSCADE has suggested to provide the shipping bill number here, so that it can be later on referenced. So I am keeping in a BL number as shipping bill number, and previous flag will be B. Then PCN number of shipping bill, that has to be copied.
Hello?
Yes.
ये बीएल टाइप है ना सर, वो हाउस बिल डाले क्या है, स्टेट बिल आएगा ना?
For multiple shipping bills, we have to mention house BL. Straight BL आपका एक जब सिंगल BL था ना, तभी मैं आपको बताया कि डिपार्चर मेनू में जब भी आपको डालना है ना तो स्ट्रेट BL डालना है। अभी हमारे पास में मल्टीपल शिपिंग बिल्स है, उसको एक ही BL में कंबाइन करना है। द सेकंड सिनेरियो, उस केस में हमारे को हाउस BL डालना है और यहाँ पे शिपिंग बिल रेफरेंस में B डालना है।
ओके,
ठीक है। अभी हम जो एक BL 0021 क्रिएट किया था, दैट BL will again create
वो
that,
स्टेट बिल,
but yes, state BL that also we'll create, but how to combine those multiple shipping bills, I am mentioning it here. Like I have mentioned the shipping bill reference, then consolidated PAN.
ये बीएल नंबर के पास शिपिंग बिल नंबर डाले ना?
हाँ, BL नंबर नहीं होगा तो शिपिंग बिल डाला है। मेरे पास में BL नंबर नहीं होगा ना, मल्टीपल BL तो मेरे पास में एक ही है, सिंगल BL है। ओके, लेकिन मेरे को मल्टीपल जो शिपिंग बिल है ना उसका एंट्री करके और उसमें से सिंगल BL बनाना है। अभी का सिनेरियो है वो मैं अभी पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया, अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग कि अभी का सिनेरियो में वी आर कंबाइनिंग मल्टीपल मींस 2 और 3 शिपिंग बिल्स इनटू 1 BL। मल्टीपल 3-4 हमारे पास में शिपिंग बिल है, लेकिन BL नंबर तो एक ही है हमारे पास में।
लास्ट टाइम ऐसा ही किया था, मैं एक एसडीएम किया था, प्रैक्टिस किया था। पर क्या करे आप, तो वो पहले वाला सीनियर है ना स्टेट बीएल का, वो डबल ट्रिपल टाइम किया था, बोले 4 बार टाइप किया था मैं।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करने का। अगर सेम फर्स्ट सिनेरियो मैंने आपको बताया, सेम एक शिपिंग बिल एक BL, उसमें आपको वहां पे एंट्री डालने का है। दूसरा सिनेरियो मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि जिसमें आपके पास में मल्टीपल शिपिंग बिल्स है, जिसका कंसाइनर कंसाइनी सेम है, सेम कंसाइनर एंड कंसाइनी, बट आवर BL इज कंबाइंड इनटू 1। मतलब उसका जो टोटल जो 4 BL होगा, 4 शिपिंग बिल होगा, उसका जो एक ही हमारा BL तो एक ही है, सिंगल है। ठीक है, तो उस केस का सिनेरियो में हमारे फर्स्ट एंट्री वी हैव टू एंटर इन कार्गो डिपार्चर मल्टीपल शिपिंग बिल। ठीक है, अभी हम फर्स्ट स्टेप कर रहे हैं, ये मैं डॉक्यूमेंट पे भी आपको दे दूंगा, दैट डॉक्यूमेंट इज अवेलेबल विथ मी, तो मैं ये शेयर भी कर दूंगा कि कैसा कैसा सिनेरियो में क्या वर्किंग करने का है।
ठीक है, ये 2 ऑर्डर है तो सर कंजेरी 2 ऑर्डर है तो
2 ऑर्डर डालने का।
शिपिंग बिल में 2 ऑर्डर है तो 2 ऑर्डर डाल देना।
हाँ।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay. Now this what we are doing is we are entering the detail from one shipping bill. Similarly, we will enter the detail from another shipping bill. All other details remain same. We have to mention TC, export cargo, nature of cargo say containerized, number of packages 3350. Packages mentioned here. Transshipper is not there. Then I'm just keying in dummy data. You have to enter the data from your shipping bill references.
Sir, myself Proshun from Calcutta.
Yes.
Sir, just advise whether the consignee in BL and the consignee in shipping bill must be the same, because sometimes what we notice that the consignee mentioned in shipping bill is different than the consignee in BL. So what consignee name to be entered here, BL or shipping bill?
BL shipping bill.
Okay,
BL.
okay, thank you, sir.
Because this is the basis of filing. So BL, all the data we have to enter through BL only.
BL only. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. And now this is where the master BL is. Yes.
Good evening.
Yes.
Good evening, Paresh from JM Bakshi. You have shown you have converted the PDF in file shipping bill into the data, and you have entered the BL number.
Yes.
In reverse case, if you have the BL data first, then we can upload the BL and then can map the shipping bill.
No, I did not get your point. What you are already having BL data.
If we have the BL data, if you have the BL data, then we first we upload the BL data, and then we can map the shipping bill in reverse case.
No, that actually you can do it in Excel. There is no provision in software to attach already entered BL data.
If we enter the BL, if we enter the BL, and then we can map the shipping bill to that BL.
Yes, you can modify the details. Actually, you enter the details here in entry, right?
Yeah.
You will be entering the BL detail in the entry, cargo departure entry here. Then you want to attach
And
that
then we will
shipping
file
bill.
the shipping bill.
Not getting your point. First, you will enter the data
Because
here.
shipping bill, we have to mention in SDM, we have only we want the only PCN number.
Yes.
Then PCN number directly fetch up the data of shipping bill, no?
Yes, it can be fetched.
If we have the BL data, we update the BL data, and only
Right.
we mention the PCN number.
Okay. You will be entering the
There is no
data
need
here
to
in
update
cargo
the shipping
departure.
bill data.
You will be entering the details
Yeah,
in
first
cargo departure entry, and you want to fetch the PCN number only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here I
Because
have
in
given
SDM,
option.
only the PCN number is mandatory for the shipping bill.
Yes. Yes. So what you can do
All
is
other data will be
there are various options. There are various options to do that in software. What you can do is you can export the data into Excel file, update the PCN number there, and then you can re-import the file. One option is there. Okay.
Yes.
But all your data is already in the system. You can generate the Excel file. After generating the Excel file, you just have to mention your shipping bill details against those BLs, and then re-import the files. So automatically the complete data will be fetched, right?
Yeah.
Sir, in BL, so
Yes.
many BLs we are say two order, notify party two order.
Yes.
So just to come to first that departure.
No problem. Actually, whatever the notify or whatever the details are available in BL, that you have to do, that you have to key in here, or that you have to type it here.
Notify party that here.
Yes.
Consigning postcode and notify party as yes.
Yes. So whatever the available in BL, that you have to mention here. Two order. So you have to type two order, right? Right, like this. Nothing additional has to be done. Okay.
Then others are blank. Other columns of the notify party.
Yeah, you can, as I told you, whatever option is blank, you can leave it blank. These stars are making it compulsory. In case you do not have PAN of notify party, state, or something else, that can be left blank. Whatever the details are required that are marked as star here, so that you have to enter whatever the details. In case,
sir, notify party two order. Okay, sir, and notify street address, that is the star. That is the mandatory. So what do we put there?
So in case it is not available, then only you have to key in NA or dot or whatever you are doing in this thing. This is very much obvious, sir. Huh? Okay. Because otherwise data will not be accepted by IceGate. Can we move forward with actually this thing? Okay, now, yes.
Yes, sir. I just want to ask a question. Like, we understood that one master, if one shipping bill and one BL, then it is a straight BL. If there is multiple shipping bills and one BL, then it is a house BL.
Yes.
But what if there is a one shipping bill and two house bills? In that case, how it will be?
Yeah, we'll go through the flow. First scenario I have told you. The second scenario, the third scenario, we'll be having multiple this multiple consigner and consignee. Then keep your question ready. Then at the end of the session, I'll be explaining you furthermore. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir. Okay,
now
thanks.
we are moving very much forward. Actually, we just do not want to stick it here. So all your questions will be answered once we are completing. So this in this case, actually, you have to understand what our current scenario is. We are having multiple shipping bill with one master BL. Okay. Then later on, I'll be answering all your questions. Huh? So if it is related to this one, in case I'm moving forward and related to this one, so this will make much more actually convenient for all other users to understand actually what we are doing. Huh? Now what we are entering is one shipping bill reference, and we have to save this data. Now we were here actually. BL number, we have mentioned this shipping bill reference. Now our master BL, whatever the BL number is, we have mentioned in master BL number here. So this will be our main master BL having multiple shipping bills, right? We have now saved it. So this is the one shipping bill under one master BL. Okay, now we'll carry it to a new shipping bill. This is new shipping bill. I'm keying in some dummy data. And PCI number for that shipping bill. I'm just copying the same PCI number here. So we have entered this. We have to mention is same because we are mentioning the master BL1 and we have multiple shipping bill numbers. So we have entered the second detail also. We forgot to, auto calculate the HSN code and everything.
बैक कीजिए, थोड़ा डाउट है मेरा, बैक कीजिए ना.
Okay. Now this is.
सर बैक कीजिए थोड़ा.
एक मिनट रुकिएगा. This is 2 BLs. First I'll enter and answer you. Okay, now we have 2 shipping bills. One shipping bill, second shipping bill. And we have a single master BL. So we now have two shipping bills against the same master BL. अब पूछिए, अभी आप कौन सा डाउट पूछ रहे थे?
मैं पूछ रहा था क्या सर, अभी जो आप बोले कि BL नंबर जो है, BL नंबर जो है, ये जो यहाँ पर आपका सेकंड लाइन में जो है हाउस BL, उसके बाद BL नंबर, जो BL नंबर जो होता है, आप बोले कि 3 शिपिंग बिल रहेगा, एक BL, यही तो सर?
3 शिपिंग बिल रहेगा, एक BL. हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ. तो यहाँ पर जो आप बोले BL नंबर डाल दिए, फर्स्ट BL में डाल दिए, मास्टर BL का नंबर 1 डाल दिए, उसके बाद और एक, तो नंबर 2 जब डालते हैं, हम कैरी करते हैं, तो वहाँ पर BL नंबर क्या वही शिपिंग बिल डालने से
BL नंबर तो आपका दूसरा शिपिंग बिल आ गया ना, सेकंड शिपिंग बिल का आ गया ना.
ठीक है, ओके.
ठीक है, मल्टीपल शिपिंग बिल डाल रहे हैं तो वो सेपरेट हो गया ना आपका.
ओके.
This BL number is single. These are multiple shipping bills. So multiple shipping bills we have entered and we have mentioned the master BL as a single. Now we'll click on generate MBL number. So automatically entry will be generated because already this BL1 is already there. I'm changing these 2 BLs to, BL number 2 because we have already entered the BL number 1 for state BL. Okay, now we'll click on generate MBL button. So this, based on this data, our master BL is created here in cargo departure menu. We can see actually the BL number 002 is generated, and this is the consolidation of both the shipping bills. This quantity is plus in single shipping bill, we have a quantity of 1000 kgs. So it is 2000 kgs here. The number of packages also, multiplied by 2 because we have entered two, the 2 shipping bills, and entry will be consolidated / master BL. Here it will be not state BL, but consolidated BL. And what I'm trying to explain you is we have 2 shipping bills that is consolidated into one master BL. So this is the main master BL, and we have a consolidated value of, multiple shipping bills. Now all other details, because consignor and consignee we did not mention in that multiple shipping bills. So we have to mention the consignor consignee details here from the shipping bill. So this will be same consignor consignee for, multiple shipping bills. So this we have to mention it only once. I'm just completing.
This record will be available. और ड्राई लगा लोगों ने जो में आपके क्या कहते हैं झोटवाड़ा में Your record will be available here, no?
Now we have entered consolidated master BL against those shipping bill. So this data is automatically populated. Both equipment details are copied over. Then only in consolidated BL, we only require cargo information and equipment details, because cargo items and cargo itinerary we already mentioned in our house BL details, that shipping bill details. Yeah.
Sir.
Yes.
वो मल्टीपल से शिपिंग बिल करे थे ना, उसका जनरेट किया तो वो मास्टर बिल में वो डिपार्चर एक पर स्क्रीन नीचे होता रोज। ये शिपिंग बिल नंबर डालना जरूरत नहीं ना, ये पहले ये
शिपिंग बिल नंबर
जरूरत नहीं,
शिपिंग बिल नंबर वी ऑलरेडी, हाँ हम इधर डाल दिया 2 शिपिंग बिल, उसको कंसोलिडेट किया, उसका सिंगल एंट्री जो है ना यहाँ पे कंसोलिडेट हो गया, उसको कंबाइन होके हमारे पास में ये एंट्री बन गया उसका कंसोलिडेटेड मास्टर बीएल। ओके
ओके, अब आईजीएम कैसा करते थे बोलो तो एचपीएल में मास्टर बीएल में कन्वर्ट कर कंसोलिडेट में कनेक्ट कंटेनर कैसे डालो वो सेम है,
वो डाल दिया सेम, हम जैसे डाला था ना वैसा यहाँ पे कंसाइनी डाल दिया, दोनों शिपिंग बिल का कंसाइनी सेम है, तो हमने एक ही बार डाला, उधर नहीं डाला था मल्टीपल शिपिंग बिल में। ठीक है,
ओके समझा सर, समझा।
ओके, now when we generate the SDM file or SCX file, this will be our master BL. Under this master BL, we will be having 2 house BLs, that is 2 shipping bills. Okay, everything is clear? Now the second scenario we completed is, I'm repeating because this is very much important. We have entered multiple shipping bills here in multiple shipping bill details here. We did not mention the consignor details here, and consignor details, because for both shipping bills we are having a same consignee details, so we are not required to enter it here, and automatically when we generate the MBL button, then this data is created, and we have to mention the consignee and consignor details here. So this will be our single master BL having multiple shipping bills. Now similarly, and having the same consignor and consignee details. The third scenario, which is I'm going to explain you, is we have a single shipping bill BL, single BL having multiple shipping bills, and consignee details are also different. The second case was consignee and consignor was same, so we have entered the details in multiple shipping bill details and created a master BL. Now the third scenario will be, we have multiple shipping bills and we want to create a single master BL, but consignee and consignor details are different. So we cannot enter the details, shipping bill details here, because we have to enter multiple consignor and consignee. So the third option, which is cargo departure HBL, everything will remain same as multiple shipping bill, but here we have to enter the consignor and consignee details also. So as per the second scenario, whatever details we have entered in that, only thing missing was consignor and consignee details. And in the third case scenario, we have to enter the details like this only. We have to mention the house BL number, the same flag has to be mentioned. Then we have to mention a shipping bill reference. So this will be a single shipping bill reference. Then we will be creating a master BL. So based on this multiple shipping bills, this consignor and consignee details, we will be creating a master BL again, like BL003. Now here also we will mention the shipping bill reference number, BL number, and here we will mention the master detail. We will be entering the shipping bill details here, house BL, and this will be shipping bill reference. The complete shipping bill here we have to mention, and then we'll be clicking on the generate master. So automatically that multiple, the shipping bill numbers will be reflected here, and a new BL number will be created. I'm not doing it here because this will take much time actually to enter the data. Okay, got my point. Actually, this is just an overview, and you can try it yourself. In case you face any difficulty, you can reach out to us. Yes. Yes,
someone is
some-
asking, what if there is an ICD containers?
What is there? In ICD containers.
Yes.
In case of ICD, only thing we have to mention here is this load pod as ICD container. The first BL which I entered was in fact ICD container. This one. This is Nasik ICD. So there is no difference between that. So load port will be your ICD. Shipping bill is generated from that ICD itself, and the discharge port is this one. So this is the ICD container. There's no separate provision for that. Only thing is, instead of port location, we have to mention the ICD here. Okay, now the third scenario, this will be similar to multiple shipping bill, but only difference being we have to enter the consignee and consignor, complete consignor and consignee details and generate the master BL similar to multiple shipping bills, and that BL will be created here. So like we have created one BL, this first BL as a state BL, and second BL is consolidated BL. And while we generate the file, then there will be two lines created, and under that actually two house BLs will be created. So this is the second scenario. Third scenario is simple to HBL detail. Multiple HBL details has to be entered here. Multiple shipping bills has to be entered here, and then generate for consolidation. We'll generate a master BL. Here also actually we have option to upload this shipping bill and then import the data. This one. Here it will come as a shipping bill number. I'm not going to enter the data actually. In case you need, please let me know. Otherwise, actually, we can move forward with the other details. Okay.
Hello, sir. Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
Yeah.
ये पहले 1.5 EGM करते थे वो एज पर शिपिंग बिल, पर ये STM एज पर BL ना?
BL, हाँ.
एज पर BL, ओनली PCI नंबर है डिफरेंट है उतना ही.
हाँ, शिपिंग बिल में से PCI नंबर ही लेने का है खाली. बाकी BL बेस्ड है.
पूरा बाकी का BL बेस्ड ही है ये.
BL बेस्ड आएगा, हाँ.
और दूसरा बात सर, ये मार्कन नंबर्स है ना?
हाँ.
मार्कन नंबर्स हम पैकेज है वो एज पर BL डाली तो हो गया ना बस ना, पूरा कर डालना है.
हाँ.
एज पर BL डाल सकते.
एज पर BL ही
टाइप
डालने
कर सकते हैं.
एज पर BL ही डालने का, हाँ.
ओके, थैंक यू.
ये मैं तीसरा भी, थर्ड ऑल्सो आई हैव क्रिएटेड. यस.
सर ये PCI नंबर कैसे मिलेगा हमको?
PCI नंबर आपका IGM इनको शिपिंग बिल का नंबर होगा ना, उसमें से मिलेगा, या तो शिपिंग बिल का आपके पास में कॉपी होगा, उसमें से आपको PCI नंबर मिलेगा. एक मिनट में आपको शिपिंग बिल का कॉपी दिखाता हूं पहले तो. यार चलो. शिपिंग बिल का कॉपी होगा ना, उसमें आपको PCI नंबर यहाँ पे मिलेगा ये. ठीक है. इन केस आपके पास में शिपिंग बिल का कॉपी नहीं है और PCI नंबर चाहिए, तो मैं आपको
विनोद सर, ये जो कंसाइनर कोड होता है, कंसाइनर कोड, वो शिपिंग बिल का जो ऊपर IC कोड रहता है उसके साथ मैच होने चाहिए.
उसके साथ मैच होना चाहिए एज पर द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन दैट हैज टू बी मैच्ड विद शिपिंग बिल.
ओके, क्लियर सर, थैंक यू. सर लेकिन ये सिनेरियो में मास्टर BL जो होगा तो उसमें तो मेन मास्टर वाला जो नंबर होगा, हाउस BL में, कार्गो डिपार्चर हाउस BL में मेन कंसाइनर के कोड सब वी विल बी अपडेटिंग इन ओवर देयर. बट कार्गो डिपार्चर जो मेन स्क्रीन है सर, ये सब डेटा मर्ज होके कार्गो डिपार्चर की स्क्रीन में आएगा. एम आई राइट सर?
हाँ.
सर वहां पर मेरे को मेन यहाँ पर सर मेरे को मेन कंसाइनर जो हमारी बुकिंग पार्टी है,
कंसाइनर का, हाँ
मेन बुकिंग पार्टी है उनका डालना है सर,
हाँ
बराबर
उनका डालना है, हाँ
सर। लेकिन वहां पर उनका पैन कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो वो मैच नहीं हो सकता का मतलब वो तो
एक्सेप्ट
मेन
होता है,
होता है।
एक्सेप्ट होता है, ट्राई, हाँ ट्राई करके देखना, एक्सेप्ट होता है, हाँ।
ओके सर, थैंक यू, क्लियर।
The difference being consolidated BL and state BL. This is state BL.
Okay.
And the second is consolidated BL, BL002, which is consolidated BL. So consolidated BL will be, combination of multiple shipping bills. So here it will be PAN card or something. This has not to be matched with, shipping bill reference, shipping bill IEC number.
So when BL type is consolidated at that time, it will not match. When the BL type is straight at that time, it will match with the shipping bill. Am I right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks
now,
a lot
now
for
the previous question, I was just referring to how to get the PCN number. You can, in case you have your, the shipping bill number and date, based on that, you can search on IceGate website. You have to select the location, that is in Nasik. Okay, that you have to select it from here. I'm not getting it actually. ICD Nasik or something, it has to be written. You have to select the location of shipping bill and then enter the shipping bill number here, and you can fetch the details and get the PCI number from here also. Shipping bill tracking option.
Okay, noted, sir.
Yes.
How to merge this SDM, sir?
Yeah. In next step, actually, I'm mentioning it. And it is similar to merging of this SAM. You just have to import. Now what we are going to do is we'll generate the JSON file, we'll delete the data, and we'll import the JSON file. So whatever the merging process is also there, then that will also can be explained. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll assign the line numbers.
So we know from CrossRead.
Yeah.
Sir, if we are having 3 shipping bill and 3 BL.
3 shipping bill, 3 BL.
Yeah. Then in which we have to make the entry?
The same thing actually, single shipping bill, single BL. That means 3 shipping bill, 3 BL. So you have to make entry in departure option 3 times. Okay, the single BL, single shipping bill. That means you have 3 BL, 3 shipping bills. So three entries has to be done, 3 BLs has to be done, and 3 shipping bill references to be done. Got my point? Now we have generated the line numbers. Now to check what check what kind of data we have. Hello.
Sir, one more question, please.
Yes.
Sir, if we are having 3 BL and 4 shipping bill.
Okay.
Okay. And in 1 BL there is 2 shipping bill.
Okay.
And 1 BL, 1 shipping bill, and 1 BL, 1 shipping bill.
Yes.
So in 1 BL, 2 shipping bills, how can we insert it?
Now the same question you are asking, sir. Now what the scenario is, let me explain you again. For single BL, single shipping bill, you understood actually you have to enter the details here. Okay, now we can have multiple. You have created a scenario for 3 BLs or 3 shipping bills. We can create 10 BLs or 10 shipping bills. The case is, in case you are having a single shipping bill, means you have a single BL against a single shipping bill. You have to enter the details here. Now the third scenario is your scenario is, let me explain you again. You have two shipping bill and 2 BL. So that is okay, that you can enter it here. Now for the third scenario, you are having 1 BL and 2 shipping bills. So this is this is the second option. You have to enter two shipping bills here and create a main master BL. So you have to count it as 3 main BL, and you have one house BL. Getting my point? So this can be unlimited. Actually, number of line is not limited. As many shipping bills or as many cargo departure entries you are going to enter, you have to follow these process only.
हेलो सर, तीन बीएल और एक शिपिंग बिल भी आ सकता है केस?
3 BL
और एक शिपिंग बिल?
हाँ, वो भी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया। थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है।
हाँ।
अभी आपका 3 BL होगा ना, तो 3 BL आपको यहाँ पे एंटर करने का है, और एक शिपिंग बिल है तो एक ही आपको यहाँ पे PCI नंबर देने का है। ठीक है, ये रिपीटेड वाला है। पहले फर्स्ट जो था ना अपना ये पूछा था, वही वाला है। 3 BL है, मतलब आपका 3 यहाँ पे BL का एंट्री यहाँ पे हम डाल रहे हैं। यहाँ पे PCI नंबर जो है ना हमारा, वो सेम रहेगा आपका तीनों शिपिंग बिल का, और आपका क्वांटिटी जो है वो स्प्लिट हो जाएगा।
ओके,
और
ठीक है, ये वर्किंग जब आप करेंगे ना तो आपको थोड़ा और ज्यादा समझ में आता जाएगा। हाँ
सर, अब सुनिए, एक ही बीएल में 3 शिपिंग बिल है, और कंटेनर एक शिपिंग बिल में एक कंटेनर है, फिर वही कंटेनर दूसरा शिपिंग बिल में सेम कंटेनर है क्या?
आएगा आपका LCL कार्गो करके आएगा,
वो
सेम
LCL
आएगा।
कार्गो इक्विपमेंट डिटेल्स में LCL डालना है ना?
LCL मार के रहेगा। ठीक है, यहाँ पे FCL का जगह पे LCL करके रहेगा उसमें।
FCL के प्लेस में LCL मारना है, सेम कंटेनर 2 बार है।
हाँ,
थैंक यू। लास्ट टाइम वही किया है सबका। थैंक यू।
हाँ, ठीक है।
Sir,
अभी हम
why we need to assign the line numbers?
In case actually you want to have a manual line numbers for each actually filing, we have to have a line numbers, like here, line number 1, 2, 3. For against each line, we have to mention the line number here. So it is how many lines actually you want to, because IceGate requires a line number to be assigned. So there in this software, we are having two options. One is to, automatic assignment of line number. Currently, my setting is in my software setting is automatic line number. In case you want to assign it manually, then you have option to assign line number manually. So you need not to get into assign line number, and while entering the data, you can assign the line numbers here. Against each BL, like say, while entering the data, you can just mention the line number here against this thing.
I mean, if I have 10 BLs to enter for one vessel, then the line numbers will be automatically
1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, up to 10. That line number. So after
is it
entering
comes
the
automatically, or I have to first assign the line
you
number
have
1
to
to
assign
10,
the
then
line number. No, you have to assign the line number.
Before entering the cargo, before entering into the SDM, I have to first assign the line
First
numbers.
assign the line number, yes.
Hello,
First
sir.
you have to enter the data, then assign the line numbers, and then you can generate the data. And keeping of assigned line number not automatically is intended because you have more control over that. Automatically means I could have created the line numbers automatically, so it may generate the line numbers, but it will it will not have any control over that. Now I have assigned the line numbers here. In case I want to change the line number, I can change the line number here.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Noted, sir.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Sir, I have one question. I'm from Apuru from Calcutta Sea Consortium.
Yeah,
we are the vessel operators. So
right.
will be having only the JSON file from the lines or NVOCC.
Yes, this is what I'm going to explain in next step.
Just let me finish, sir.
Yes.
So the question for me is two questions out there. See, we will be getting the JSON file.
Right.
So you are now proceeding to the merging of the JSON file. Okay.
Yes.
That is you'll be advising us.
Yes.
Okay. So my second question, the BL number.
Yeah.
You are saying that BL number and the shipping bill number are the same or not?
Yeah. No, it is different. BL number is different.
No,
and
no,
shipping
I
bill number is different.
know. BL number and shipping bill number is different. For this, in this ODEX file, which there some some say some lines or some NBOCCs put the shipping bill number, and some NBOCCs put the BL numbers. With the reference of the CIN number. Okay. So both will be accepted to the ice gate or not?
Yes, both are accepted, and because you are acting as a vessel operator, whatever the NVOCCs or container line is giving it to you, you have to file like that only. So BL number is some. It is not actually, matching the shipping bill number or BL number. Whatever the NVOCC is giving, actually both are acceptable. And major thing is, in case BL number is available, then we are getting the window.
So better to go by the shipping bill number. It will be better for the NB if I do advise the NBOCCs
it's not
to better.
It's not actually something to advise or something. Actually, in case BL is available, because the structure is made like BL number is available, then we are required to give the BL data. Here we are mentioning the BL data.
Because the thing is that BL is prepared after the vessel sailing, not before sailing.
That is what actually I explained you earlier. In case actually BL number is not prepared, then that has to be worked it out with the ice gate or customs teams. In case BL number is available, then it is advisable to give the BL number. In case it is not available, then you can key in the the shipping bill number.
I can advise like that to our NBOCC partners.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now what we are going to do is we are going to generate this SDM file for whatever the data we have entered.
Yeah, right. So we have entered the two BLs. One is for the multiple BL, multiple shipping bill, one BL, and one straight BL. Three BL, right.
And to check the data, actually, we have to get into report menu option. Then we can check whatever the data we have entered based on vessel IMO and vessel voyage. So this is our checking point. What we have entered is we have line number 1, that is straight BL number. Then line number 1 and 2, these are both the HBL number.
This is for the single. This is for the single IMO.
And
this is for the single IMO.
Yes, and this is our second line number for consolidated BL. This is again our house BL with different consigner, and this is our main third line number. So this is the way actually how we can check the data. Okay, now we are going to create the SDM file. We can just click on validate. So these are the validation because I have actually provided some dummy data. So the software is saying that PAN number is not 10 characters or something. But anyway, I'm going to generate the file. So I have to click on basic validation only, and then I'll generate the file. So this way, actually, I can bypass the validation. Now I have generated the file. Now I'll share my complete screen and show you actually the generated file. This is the JSON file I have generated. I'm just opening into text editor. So this I can see here the line number 1, that is BL001. This is straight BL. So this is only the BL, and this is the shipping bill number and shipping bill reference. Then my second
and the PCN number, PCN reference.
Can I explain, sir? Everyone. You can see it, and later on actually you can question it. Now the second BL is our consolidated BL, under which we have mentioned multiple shipping bill references. So this is my second line, having consigner and consignee details here for single time, and under that we are having multiple HCREF, that is multiple shipping bills. This is HCREF 1 and this is HCRF 2. Okay. Now the third line is our consolidated BL with multiple, consigner and consignee HCREF. So this is HCREF having all the details, including transport dock details. This is the detail. So in this SDM file, This way, actually, we can create the SDM also and SCX also. SCX will also be generated similar way. So if I'm going to create this SCX also, so the similar SCX CSN file will be created. All the validations are in place. I can generate this file. Now I'll show you how to merge the file. Now what we are doing is
sir,
yes.
वो SCX फाइल है ना, वो ओनली एनओसीसी के लिए, ओनली लाइनर के लिए। STM में तो वो
वेसल ऑपरेटर के
STM
लिए है,
वेसल ऑपरेटर के। हम लोग SCX जनरेट के लिए तो बस ना,
हाँ एनवीओसीसी जो है ना, SCX CSN जैसा आप उसमें जनरेट करते हैं ना, वैसा CSN फाइल करने के लिए एनवीओसीसी के लिए वही ऑप्शन है। हाँ,
वही ऑप्शन है, वो जनरेट कर
वो फाइल करके एक्नॉलेजमेंट लेके और वेसल ऑपरेटर को देने का वो फाइल। ठीक है।
और दूसरा बात 148 एरर कोड आया सर, मुझे लास्ट टाइम किया तो।
हाँ,
क्या है 148 एरर कोड?
148 CIN नंबर जो आप अपना जो PCN नंबर अगर HBL से ये जो शिपिंग बिल से मैच नहीं होगा ना, तो 148 नंबर का एरर आता है। अगर उसमें कहीं पे कुछ मिस्टेक होगा, आइस गेट में अपडेट नहीं होगा, या आपका PCN नंबर में कुछ मिस्टेक होगा ना, तो 148 का एरर आएगा, जिसका दैट मीन्स your whatever the CIN number you have mentioned, it is not available under IceGate. So you have to check the CIN number and your filing location, means the shipping bill reference is not being matched. ठीक है, हम आगे अभी बढ़ रहे हैं। अभी हमने जनरेट कर लिया, we have generated this SDM file. Now what we are doing is we are removing all the data from our system, so that now once the data is removed, now this system, I am assuming, or I am assuming that there is no data, like I am now acting as a vessel operator. I am getting the SCX file or SDM file from my NVOCCs. So we are going to merge that. Now we do not have any data. Only data we have is our vessel data, the voyage data. Okay, now everything is deleted. What we have done is we have generated the JSON file as container line or NVOCCs. Now we have generated and kept the NVOCCs file. We have we are assuming that we have filed those SCX file to IceGate, and we have got the acknowledgement. Now we are acting as a vessel operator. So whenever vessel operator is getting those JSON file, what we can do is we can just click on import JSON file. Then we have to choose the file, whatever the vessel operator has given, and we can just upload it. Now, when I choose the file and upload it, it will give the the data from that JSON file. I'll just click on validate button. The data is validated. In case actually any JSON file contain error, so it will show you here if in case some information is missing or whatever. So now when I click on import, then all the data which was mentioned in JSON file, that will be clubbed into this one. So, and the message here is 3 lines are imported. So 3 lines means 3 main line, one state BL and 2 consolidated BLs. So 3 lines are now imported here, and we can again check back here. We are having a data again. After removing the data, we have just now acting as a vessel operator. We have just uploaded the JSON file which we got from our NVOCC partner. Now we can generate the in case you require, you can reassign the line number. In case you are merging from multiple NVOCCs, you just have to club that, and then you can assign the line numbers again, and then generate the SDM file and file it. Okay, this is all actually I just wanted to explain about this thing, export cargo. Now we will move to some,
sorry.
Yes. Hello.
Paresh from JMBakshi. Now you have shown the SDM file, right?
Yes.
Then you deleted the data, and as a viewer, you merge that file in the VO system. But the syntax of SCX and SDN is different, no?
The same, actually, the similar way
because
you can
MLO will give the SCX file.
No, you can import
MLO will give the
SCX or
result.
SDM file. You can import SCX or SDM file similar way. There's no difference in being that.
Similar way.
Yeah, similar way.
Yeah.
Any kind of JSON file that can be SCX, SCE, SAM, or SDM. That can be imported.
Okay.
The only difference being SCX file does not contain the vessel master detail, means measure of the details of
Master
vessel.
data, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
And
yes.
SCX file does not contain. So this software is capable to import SCX, SCE, SDM, SAM files. So all files can be imported.
And if
Vinod sir.
the MLO is given the output file, SCX output file, then acknowledgement file.
So that acknowledgement
be also
file,
merged?
after only acknowledgement file, you cannot file, SDM. They have
Yes,
to
right,
give you.
because BL data is required.
They have to give you their
Both the
data
files.
and both the file. And after uploading the
files,
data from your SCX or SCE file, then you have to update the acknowledgement of that NVOCC also, so that PCN numbers can be updated against those BL numbers.
Yes.
So this I'm in
BL
next
number,
slide.
right.
Actually, I'm explaining you actually for vessel operators only. What some of the users actually, I heard that they are not combining this acknowledgement file, but that has to be done. Okay.
Some users
Sir,
are not ready to share the
I
data.
have one another question, sir.
Yes.
So any IRN is required for SDM?
For SDM, yes. Whatever, in
But
case
we
you
have
have
not-
successfully,
not-
in case you have successfully filed SAM and SCI, so IRN number is already generated and IRN number is already filed under SCI. So first message will be SAM. So in SAM, you have to mention the person details IRN number. And in SCI, you have to mention
same
person
IRN number
details.
can be used.
Yes, same IRN to be used. And in SCI, crew effect and ship stores is also required. So for filing of SDM, all three, means in SCI itself, all three IRN number is required. So for subsequent filing, you need not re-upload the document. So automatically this IRN number is applicable in SDM also.
Okay.
Vinod sir, one
Yes.
question over here. Single
Yes.
BL, multiple shipping bill, different consignor. At that time, we don't need to go in that reference cargo BL section, sir.
No, explain me again. I'll note it down.
Single
BL.
BL, multiple shipping bill, different
Okay.
consignor. Okay.
Different consignor. Okay.
Okay. So at that time, we will go to the cargo departure HBL screen. Okay.
Yes.
There we
Yes.
will select the BL type.
Right.
We will select the BL type as H, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And
Yes.
the previous flag as S. Okay.
Yes.
And the
Yes.
PCI number will be updated. And in master
Yes.
BL number, I will be updating my main BL number, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now
yes,
all these
yes.
details I will be consolidated in, and I will go to the cargo departure main screen,
Yes.
sir. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So in cargo
yes.
departure main screen, BL type I will select as C now. Console.
Automatically means you can generate the master BL also. In case you do not want to generate, it will be a consolidated BL and previous flag will be no.
No, sir. Now after this part, I want to. Earlier we were going to the reference cargo BL section, sir. So we need
No,
to go
that is
again into the.
different.
Okay,
No,
that is.
that is different. Yeah. No.
Okay, so now
Reference
from
cargo
this
is
I.
Yes, this you can do from cargo HBL, multiple HBL entry with different consignor and single master BL.
Yes, sir. After that, I need to directly generate the file and move further, sir. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so now I don't need to go on the reference cargo BL.
No. That is different scenario actually. There are more complicated scenario in this export cycle also. These are the simpler three formats. Then there are house BLs also involved when
Yes, sir.
freight forwarders are filing. So
Yes, sir, correct.
that is a different kind of scenario. That actually takes much more time, and that actually we can have a separate kind of, because most of the users actually these three kind of scenarios are sufficient. In case of freight forwarders, then some complicated scenarios can be done. So we can have a separate discussion or separate meeting for that, because that is a lengthy process actually. That has to be filed in 2 or 3 steps actually.
No issues, sir. Okay, sir. Clear. I just want to clear that. Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Vinod sir.
Yes.
मुझे सिर्फ यही पूछना था कि अगर हम लोगों ने SEM ऑलरेडी फाइल कर दिया है और उसके बाद अगर उसी पर्टिकुलर वेसल में क्रूज चेंज हुआ है,
क्या चेंज हुआ है?
क्रू चेंज हुआ है, अगर साइन ऑन साइन ऑफ हुए हैं,
हाँ,
बराबर, तो उसमें SDM करते वक्त मुझे नए का डिपार्चर क्रू लिस्ट और डिपार्चर क्रू लिस्ट नंबर डालने पड़ेंगे।
हाँ, सेपरेट आप डाल सकते हो, लेकिन इसका आंसर है ना, कस्टम में लोकल दे सकते हैं। सेपरेट लेने में कोई भी इशू नहीं है। टेक्निकल लेवल पे मैं आपको बताऊं तो SAM में जो अपन ने IRN डाला ना, वो हमारा सेम SDM में या SCI में रिपीट होता है। लेकिन अगर आप सेपरेट आप फाइल करके और नया IRN देते हैं ना, तो आपका नया IRN जो है उसमें एक्सेप्टेबल है ऐसा। ठीक है, तो जनरल एक SOP ऐसा है कि अपना उसमें अगर आपका क्रू चेंज हो गया है तो नया आप IRN जनरेट करके, और जो सब्सिक्वेंट मैसेजेस होंगे ना एंट्री इनवर्ड में या SDM में, उसमें आप दे देंगे तो वो बेटर रहेगा आपका कंप्लायंस के लिए।
ओके सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू बहुत सर।
Okay. Now we will move forward to some general information. SDM, actually I have explained it to you. I know actually there will be much more queries on this thing, and you can get in touch with the office in case you have any queries on different kind of scenarios. Okay, now we'll move forward to some general information. This is not related to SDM or SCM also. Now, this is for acknowledgement. Next information is for acknowledgement processing. So whenever you are getting any acknowledgement from iSCADE, we have option to successful or unsuccessful. We have option to update the acknowledgement file in our software, so that actually you do not have to look for some different kind of errors or something like that. I have some sample acknowledgement files here. I'll just show you actually how to process that. I'll choose any random acknowledgement. This acknowledgement I am choosing. I have just to upload this acknowledgement. It will read the data. I'll just click on validate button. Now, in case there is no error, then data validated successfully message will come. And against this vessel and voyage IMO, in case PCN number is generated, then we can just click on import button. So against each BL, PCN number will be, PCN or NCN number will be updated into our system. And I'll show you some, error also. This is the file which is having some error. Now, when I upload this is the SDM acknowledgement. So any kind of acknowledgement, you can just upload it here and check whether this file is successful or not. What file was there? Okay, now this acknowledgement is having some errors. So instead of opening the file and checking what kind of error 105 or something, you have to check it like that. Instead of that, you can just upload the acknowledgement file, and the software itself will ask show you actually this HBL number or this line number, this error is generated, like HC transport equipment not detected in MC details, like port of call cannot be same as next port of call. So these are the errors which are generated. So most of the errors actually I have provided, most common errors, I have provided some explanation. You can just click on this link and it will show you the explanation. And in case it requires you to correct the data, it will instruct you to get in to correct the data. Like I'll click here. So these are the errors actually we have not updated, and we are periodically updating these error reports so that you know how to correct the data. So this is the way actually you can process your acknowledgement. In case you want inquiry on some random errors, you can get into error inquiry and key in the error number or description. You can search on that. Like 011, this error is invalid shipping line code. So some resolution is also provided. The path is also provided. Now you have to get into documents menu, then voyage details, and what you have to look for is shipping line code. That is to be validated. So some text is given so that you can yourself will be able to resolve the error. So this is the way actually you can update the acknowledgement. Whenever vessel operators are also getting acknowledgement from NVOCCs or container line, they have to also upload their acknowledgement and update the PCI number against those BLs. Okay. Now the next is this is for general information only. That was for processing. Now generation of PCN and MCN number. Now how the PCN and MCN, this is very much important actually to understand how the IceGate acknowledgement process is working. Now in case we have already provided some PCN number, like in case of departure menu, we have already provided the PCN number. So in acknowledgement file, IceGate is not reflecting those PCN number back to us. In case new PCN number or MCN number is generated, then only in acknowledgement file we'll be getting the PCN number. Like in this acknowledgement file, we have got this BL number and we have got a new PCN number. In case this BL number is already assigned a PCN number previously, in case of shipping bill or in case of our previous filing, so this PCI number will not be generated. Only reference will be accepted or rejected. Through that only we can understand whether this our file is successful or not. So this is the second point I just wanted to let you know. And the third point is whenever actually we are having a consolidated BL, like in this case, we have this 2 and 3 consolidated BLs. Now, what consolidated BL is, we have multiple, shipping bill or house BLs under this BL. So that is why it is called consolidated BL. So whenever we are filing a separate, second time on the IceGate, so sub BLs, like in this case, we have 2 house BLs. BL number 002, 2 house BLs. So once the MCN number is generated against this cargo departure, MCN number is in case generated, and we have mentioned the MCN number here. So whenever we are generating a new file, SCX or SDM, so these child BLs will not be included. So this is the way IceGate is working. This is generally for information only I am sharing. So that actually you know how the system at IceGate is working. There's no need to take action on that. This is for information only. So once MCN number is generated, and then again in case you generate the SAM file or SDM file, so these information will not be included. Otherwise, if in our software itself it is inbuilt like that it will not be generated. If we generate this file, then IceGate will be throwing some errors. Now, the third point is how to check the complete data voyage that I explained you. Whenever you want to check the data, you just get into this menu option. You can view it also, and you can generate the Excel file and check the data, actually what kind of data will be included in that vessel and voyage. Now, third, a brief overview actually how the data modules are generated. If you can see in our software itself, this is for basic understanding actually how the eSeaManCloud is working. Now we have a single table, single database where we have created multiple entry formats. Like in cargo departure entry, you can see the similar kind of fields. And in cargo arrival also, you can see similar kind of things. What we have arranged is we have a single set of data which is divided into multiple tabs. Like for arrival entry, we are getting into this one. So based on these flags, actually import cargo or transit cargo, in case you open this postal cargo also, you can see the similar kind of entries. So based on these flags only, the cargo type, then cargo movement, and other details, the BL type, these 3 or 4 types of values that sets the screen apart. Now, whatever is required, I have created the screen in a similar fashion, but only thing being that these key fields, item type, PL type, then cargo movement, then, cargo type, cargo movement, and consolidated type. These are the only key fields based on which actually the data is divided into different screens. So that is what the data set is single. So importing from Excel file or generating from Excel file, this will, in case you are importing multiple data into eSeaManCloud. So in case flag is given in IM, so you can find the data in cargo arrival detail. In case the flag is cargo type is given as EX, then you can find the data in cargo departure. In case it is given as CG, then you can find the data in there. And consolidated data, in case you want to see, then this is the option I have provided to view consolidated data. So this is only for information. Now, some of the general recommendations based on user inputs I am getting and from past experience. One is to always refer to previous filing of MCN if cargo is already declared in IceGate. Now, what happens is NVOCC files their own CSN and then give a complete data to vessel operator. So vessel operators sometimes do not mention the previous filing of NVOCC. So that is not correct. In case any BL or any data already filed in IceGate, you have to mention the PCN reference number, which is generated from IceGate to successfully move forward with your filing. Otherwise, what happens is NVOCC is filing one BL, they are getting one PCN number. And again, if vessel operator is not mentioning that PCN number, then a separate PCN number is generated for the same BL. So that is very much incorrect. So in case any BL is filed under, in IceGate, so that PCN number or MCN number, whatever you have got from IceGate, that has to be mentioned. Now, the second recommendation is while generating the file, I have provided some summary fields. Like while generating this SDM file, when I'm validating, you have to have a look at this summary details very carefully so that you can understand actually how much data is included. Now in this screen, it is showing us there will be 3 lines, 3 main lines and 3 sublines. These are house BLs that will be included. There will be 1 cargo items like here we are whatever we are entering here. That will be included. Then there will be 3 line equipments will be included. Means there will be 3 containers will be included. Then 1 person effects. That means 1 IRN we have entered. 1 crew effect will be included. Then 1 ship stores will be included. And this is the voyage equipments. Total voyage equipments. How many line equipments means cargo equipments, and this is the total voyage equipments that will be included. So always when generating the file, you have to recheck whether all your BLs are included or not. You already know actually how many lines you are going to file. So better to check this summary before generating the file or submitting to IceGate. So this is the generally recommendation. And always use a new job number while uploading to IceGate. This, I think, is properly being followed by many users. So this is again a recommendation. Same job number is not accepted at IceGate. So always, whenever you're filing at IceGate, use a new job number for that filing. Now, that second is update the PCN MCN number. Whenever you're getting your acknowledgement file, it is better to upload your acknowledgement file and update the PCN numbers immediately, so that in case you want to refer to that cargo, or in case when later amendments are live. So based on that PCN MCN numbers only, we can file our amendments and the next process of filing. So that is all actually we have recommended. In case
Vinod sir, I am Manohar from Mangalore.
Yes.
Can I sir,
Yes,
here
yes.
we are having SDM when we are filing, we are getting for SEZ cargo, it is a 148 that PCIN is not accepting. Anything you know about that, how to do for that? Because all SEZ cargos are getting same error. Sir, I'm not hearing you, sir. Sir, you are muted.
Sir, your mic is muted.
Sir, your mic is muted.
अभी बंद हुआ क्या? Okay. Yes. So everyone, last say 7 to 10 days back, actually everyone was getting this error for ICD and SEZ cargo. But I think actually recently they have rectified. So this is the case when you are asking actually last when you filed getting
No,
this
this
error
is
for
yesterday's case because what is happening in the sense continuously in Mangalore, everybody we are getting for SEZ cargo problem. But other cargo, there is a no problem.
Okay, so it was reported to me
When we
previously,
checked
but
with
you have to
them,
raise the issue. Yeah.
Sir, when we checked with them, they told it is getting rectified, but I'm not think it is a get solved. So that's what I'm just checking with you, sir.
Yeah, at some other users, actually, the thing I think has been resolved or not. Actually, previously, few days back, actually 8 to 10 days back, actually everyone was getting this kind of error for ICD and SEZ. But I think it is resolved or being resolved. Actually, this you have to raise with IceGate Customs.
Noted, sir. Because we are checking with the IceGate only. The problem is what they're telling also they rectified. But still now it is not cleared. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have one question, sir. See, for from Calcutta Apollo. So actually, see, for vessel operator, we have to file all the SCX file and create the SAM. Okay.
Yes.
And now, suppose can it be supplemented? I mean to say, like IGM, we are doing a few 2-3 SAM, 2-3 SCE file and generating SAM, and by rest of the thing we are filing in 1.5.
Yes.
Okay, for the EGM, is there any procedure?
No, I don't know. Actually, once they implement the SDM, this SDM,
yeah, that
then
is
actually
then
only we'll be able to find out. But the practice is the current practice is also wrong. Actually, we have to try to file all the details in current format only, because this supplement filing is not going to be long enough. Once they implement the SDM. Once they implement the amendment, then they are going to stop that supplement also for IGM. So this way, actually, you have to file all the details in new format only. And for SDM, actually, once it is implemented, then only we'll know actually whether supplementary filing for EGM is acceptable or not.
Right now, is there any right now? Is it right now? It is accepting or not?
No, currently, actually, it is not live. The SDM is not live,
it is
so
not
we
live.
cannot check. So we cannot check. Huh?
No, not for Jason. I'm talking about the 1.5. Is that
1.5? It is currently 1.5 is only the way actually export is being filed. So SDM is not yet live for.
For 1.5 supplement is live now.
Yeah, that is currently live since long actually. Because SDM is not yet implemented.
Yesterday I tried with, but not came any this nothing came from IceGate actually.
Okay. So you have to get in touch with IceGate only actually if nothing comes now, because SDM is not yet implemented.
Yeah, that I know, but for 1.5 EGM, supplementary is not possible still now. So,
okay.
Do you have any updates, sir? Do you have any update?
No. I'm not aware of that. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah.
Vinay sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Once the vessel comes for import, and she sending in ballast for export, then is it mandatory to file, and what is the procedure for it?
Yes, we have to file with the starting of this our webinar. Actually, I have shown you to file the empty without cargo SDM only. So that is must. The cycle has to be completed.
So this is George from Chennai.
Maybe I missed out.
Yes.
In a straight BL, in a single shipping mill, there is 3 containers and 2 containers it is shut out after filing the manifest. Then how to go over, sir?
That is for that will go for amendment. So that way actually you can amend your filing.
and the second vessel we can go for the next container.
Yeah, so yes, so that will be altogether a different entry. So for already filed, you have to get into amendment and get it deleted from IceGate. So once the amendment is live, then you can amend the data.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
विनोद भाई,
yes,
विनोद भाई उदयन बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
अच्छा, ये अपना अभी ये आपने एसडीएम का बोला, अभी ये शिपिंग बिल अभी ट्रांसशिपमेंट कंटेनर्स आते हैं, जैसे कोचीन से आ रहा है फिर मुंद्रा से लोड होगा,
हाँ,
तो उसका कैसे एसडीएम में डालेंगे?
कोचीन से आ रहा है, मुंद्रा से लोड
कोचीन
होगा।
से शिपिंग बिल जनरेट हुआ कोचीन में, ओके,
ठीक है।
और मदर वेसल मुंद्रा है, मुंद्रा से जाएगा, मुंद्रा में एक्सपोर्ट वेसल में लोड होगा।
ठीक है, और उसमें भी सेम ही आएगा। उसमें जो पोर्ट अपन डालते हैं ना, फर्स्ट पोर्ट एंट्री और उसके बाद में जो नेक्स्ट पोर्ट एंट्री डालते हैं, उस पोर्ट में ही हमारे को डालने का है। अपना जो एक्सेप्टेंस पोर्ट होगा वो तो आपका कोचीन से हुआ तो INCO के 1 आएगा आपका, जहाँ से शिपिंग बिल जनरेट हुआ वो। और अपना जो कस्टम पोर्ट आता है ना, कि लास्ट पोर्ट कस्टम जो डालते हैं, उसमें अपना इनमुन 1 आएगा कि अपना मुंद्रा जो है वो लास्ट कस्टम पोर्ट है। मतलब एंट्री में कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा, हमारे जो पोर्ट के जो सीक्वेंसेस है ना उसमें चेंज होगा। और आपका कार्गो आइटनरी में चेंज होगा। फर्स्ट आइटनरी आपका आएगा INCO के 1 से इनमुन 1, देन इनमुन 1 टू एक्सपोर्ट का लोकेशन, फॉरेन एक्सपोर्ट लोकेशन।
वेसल का बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, वेसल का नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, कार्गो का बात कर रहा हूँ, जो एसडीएम।
हाँ, कार्गो का ही। मैं एक बार फिर से मैं आपके पास में स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ। उसमें कुछ डिफरेंस कोई अलग से ये नहीं है। अपना डिपार्चर में जब हम डालते हैं ना, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास में आएगा जहाँ से शिपिंग बिल जनरेट हुआ वो INCO के 1,
ओके।
और ये हमारा लास्ट कस्टम पोर्ट जो है ना वो आएगा इनमुन 1। बाकी का हमारा फाइलिंग जो है वो सेम होगा। डेस्टिनेशन पोर्ट में हमारा फॉरेन पोर्ट आएगा।
PCN नंबर वो
PCN नंबर तो आपका इसका जो जनरेट हुआ ना वहां से आएगा। मतलब कोचीन से जनरेट हुआ ना आपका PCN नंबर, हाँ, यहाँ से आएगा। हाँ,
ओके,
ठीक है। हाँ,
विनोद सर।
हाँ जी सर।
दिनेश बात कर रहा हूँ एटलांटिक से।
हाँ
सर, अगर कोई वेसल में पिपाओ में कोई वेसल आ रहा है कार्गो डिस्चार्ज करने के लिए,
हाँ,
तो उसमें हम लोग पहले सेम के लिए अराइवल DL वगैरह जो भी रहेगी वो ऐड करेंगे, उसमें
ठीक है,
अपलोड करेंगे बराबर। उसके बाद सेम जनरेट होगा। लेकिन वही वेसल अगर सेम बॉटम कार्गो सेल हो रहा है,
हाँ,
बराबर, तो उसमें अराइवल के वक्त भी कार्गो था, डिपार्चर के वक्त भी कार्गो रहेगा।
ठीक है।
उसमें SDM कैसे फाइल हो?
उसमें मैं आपको बताया ट्रांजिट कार्गो। आपने जो मैंने अभी भी जो पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया ना, उसमें ट्रांजिट कार्गो है, FROB। दैट कार्गो रिमेन्स ऑन बोर्ड। तो आपका अराइवल के टाइम पे या डिपार्चर के टाइम पे वो दोनों में अपना वो इंक्लूड होगा। कोस्टल कार्गो एंड ट्रांजिट कार्गो, ये दोनों कार्गो आपका SAM में भी जाता है और SDM में भी जाता है। तो अपना सॉफ्टवेयर में जो एंट्री डालना है
सर, एक बार स्क्रीन का शेयर करेंगे सर, उसका इसका इशू का एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर करेंगे, कैसे एंट्री करना है।
ये एंट्री जो है ना ट्रांजिट कार्गो, FROB कार्गो, दिस विल बी ट्रांजिट गुड्स और डोमेस्टिक और फॉरेन ट्रांजिट जो भी आपका कार्गो है वो, दिस कार्गो विल बी इंक्लूडेड इन SDM।
ओके, तो BL कहाँ से मिलेगा इसका? तो पहले से भी ऑलरेडी SAM पे है तो?
हाँ, SAM में होगा या कहीं पे भी। BL तो जो जिसका कार्गो का होगा उसको देगा ना।
वेसल ऑपरेटर के हिसाब से पूछ रहा हूँ सर।
हाँ, नहीं ये हाँ, ये एक्चुअली आपका जो वेसल ऑपरेटर के पास में, अब मास्टर के पास में होगा या फिर जो जिसका कार्गो होगा उसके पास में कहीं से भी होगा, वो डिटेल डालना पड़ेगा।
पहले तो लोग SAM दे दिया है। नाउ फॉर SDM मान लीजिए 4 कंटेनर या 1 BL 5 कंटेनर वापस जा रहा है, ठीक है। उसमें हम कैसे करेंगे?
उसमें भी आपका BL का डेटा तो आपको अरेंज करने का मास्टर के पास में, ये आइसगेट से पूछने का। एक्चुअली BL का जो मेरे पास में बार बार इश्यू आ रहा है ना कि BL का डेटा बाद में नहीं होता है या हमारे पास में डेटा नहीं होता है, ये एक्चुअली आइसगेट के साथ में इश्यू रेज करने के हैं आपको, कि आपके पास में अगर कोई डेटा नहीं रहता है तो हम कैसे डालेंगे करके। हम यहाँ पे टेक्निकल लेवल पे बात कर रहे हैं। हाँ, तो वो उसके लिए है ना आइस गेट के साथ में कई सारे इश्यूज रेज किए हुए हैं अभी भी आपके ट्रेड ने, आपकी ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में भी, तो वो वहीं पे रेज करने पड़ेंगे कि अगर कोई डेटा आपके पास में नहीं है और आइस गेट मांग रहा है तो उसके लिए तो आपको वहीं पे कस्टम या आइस गेट में आपको ये सब चीजें रेज करना पड़ेगा।
आपका
ऐसा है।
आपका यहाँ पे कुछ मॉड्यूल है क्या, मतलब सिस्टम है क्या जहाँ पे मतलब मान लीजिए एक बीएल है जो आरओबी होके जा रहा है, मतलब सेम बटन करके होके वापस जा रहा है, ठीक है।
हाँ तो
तो
इसमें
वही
एंट्री
बीएल
डालने
ना,
का हमारे
वही
को
नहीं
यहाँ
नहीं
पे।
वही
हाँ
बीएल का सैम से हम लोग कॉपी कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, तो आप उसको एक्सेल फाइल में जनरेट करके, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ना, एक्सेल फाइल आप जनरेट करके उसका फ्लैग चेंज कर देंगे तो आपका वो कार्गो जो है एफआरओबी में बन जाएगा आपके पास, अगर डेटा ऑलरेडी होगा तो।
हाँ सैम तो किया है
ठीक है,
मैंने।
समझ रहे हैं आप सैम फाइल कर दिया, उसके बाद में आपका एक्सपोर्ट
सैम में तो मेरे को मान लीजिए सर, सैम में तो वो मेरे को 10 आइटम का 1 to 10 10 आइटम का सैम दिया था, ठीक है। लेकिन उनमें से एक आइटम जो जा रहा है बैक कर रहा है,
हाँ
तो उसमें से हम कैसे निकालेंगे?
उसमें या तो फिर से आपको एफआरओबी में एंट्री डालना पड़ेगा, या तो मैंने आपको बताया एक्सेल में से डेटा अपलोड कर सकते हैं। इसमें कोई कन्वर्जन का ऑप्शन नहीं है अपने पास में कि डेटा को आपका सैम का जो है ना वो एफआरओबी में अपन को कन्वर्ट कर दिया हो, ऐसा।
सर अगर यही चीज
हेलो
हाँ जी बोलिए सर।
सर अगर यही चीज लिक्विड में रही,
हाँ
लिक्विड कार्गो में, समझिए कोई एलपीजी का वेसल आ रहा है राजकनूरा से फॉर एग्जांपल,
हाँ
दहेज के लिए और पीपाओ के लिए दोनों का कार्गो लोड करके आ रहा है।
हाँ
इसमें 10 बीएल है, 5
हाँ
बीएल दहेज के लिए है, 5 बीएल पीपाओ के लिए है, लेकिन हर एक बीएल में दहेज और पीपावा दोनों के लिए कार्गो डिवाइड हुआ है। 4000 में से 1500 दहेज के लिए है, 2500 जो है 2500 वो पीपाओ के लिए है। तो
हाँ
बीएल नंबर तो सेम ही रहा, दहेज के लिए भी
हाँ
और पीपाओ के लिए भी।
हाँ
तो दहेज, अगर पीपाओ से दहेज जा रहा है ये वेसल,
हाँ हाँ
तो being agent in Pipavav and next port is the same Indian port for दहेज।
हाँ
तो
हाँ
इसमें मुझे सैम कैसे फाइल करना है और डिपार्चर
सैम
कैसे
सैम दोनों जगह पे आपको फाइल करना पड़ेगा। सैम जो फाइल करने का है ना, दोनों जगह पे आपको फाइल करना पड़ेगा। दहेज पे भी फाइल करना पड़ेगा, पीपावा पे भी आपको फाइल करना पड़ेगा। और आपका आपका दोनों जगह पे सैम आपका फाइल होगा। और जो कार्गो आपका समझ लीजिए पहले आप दहेज पे जो अनलोड हो गया आपका, वो आपका वहां पे जो बताते हैं ना आपका नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट अनलोड पोर्ट, एक ही बीएल है क्या आपके पास में? एक ही बीएल में डिफरेंट आपका ये जाता है, ऐसा है ना?
बीएल को स्प्लिट किया हुआ है 1500
हाँ
और 2500।
ठीक है, दो सेपरेट बीएल है कि एक ही बीएल है?
एक ही बीएल।
बराबर है। हाँ तो जो बीएल आपने यहाँ पे दहेज में फाइल किया ना, सेम आपको वहाँ पे पिपाओ में भी जो है ना वही सेम उतना क्वांटिटी के साथ में आपको जो है फाइल करना पड़ेगा। और नेक्स्ट पोर्ट अनलोडिंग जो आता है ना, उसमें आपको नेक्स्ट पोर्ट डालना पड़ेगा। दहेज में आपका नेक्स्ट पोर्ट अनलोडिंग जो है ना वो पिपाओ आएगा, ऐसा है।
ओके नेक्स्ट पोर्ट, लेकिन क्वांटिटी क्या डाला, 4000 या 2500?
नहीं, जहाँ का जिधर है सैम, जब भी आप फाइल कर रहे हैं ना तो दहेज का क्वांटिटी दहेज में जाएगा और पीपाओ का क्वांटिटी पीपाओ में। स्प्लिट दोनों अलग अलग फाइल करेंगे ना आप, एक ही जगह पे फाइल नहीं करेंगे। आपका एक तो दो रोटेशन भी दोनों अलग अलग लेंगे ना आप, दहेज का भी अलग लेंगे और पीपाओ का भी अलग लेंगे, बीसीएन नंबर भी। तो जितना जहाँ पे खाली हो रहा है उतना का क्वांटिटी उधर पे डालना पड़ेगा।
ओके, और अगर दहेज फर्स्ट
हेलो
पोर्ट है और पीपाओ सेकंड पोर्ट है,
हाँ
तो दहेज को एसडीएम में किस तरह से डेटा एंट्री करनी पड़ेगी सेम बीएल के लिए?
एसडीएम में कहीं पे डिपार्चर तो आपका जा नहीं रहा है ना, तो आपका एफआरओबी में एंट्री जो डाला होगा ना वो अपने आप एसडीएम में लेगा। आपका डिपार्चर मतलब एक्सपोर्ट लोडिंग होता है ना, उसके लिए आपका एसडीएम में डालना पड़ता है एंट्री, डिपार्चर का एंट्री में। बाकी आपका जो यहाँ पे डाला, हाँ हेलो,
हाँ एक्सपोर्ट लोडिंग तो नहीं है ना सर, दोनों पोर्ट
हाँ
में इंपोर्ट ही हो रहा है।
हाँ तो वही बोल रहा हूँ, तो आपको वो एसडीएम में तो जो एफआरओबी कार्गो होगा ना उसका डेटा ही आएगा। तो आपको एसडीएम डिपार्चर एंट्री में तो एंट्री डालना नहीं है ना एक्सपोर्ट के लिए।
ओके, तो वो ब्लैंक ही आएगा ना विदाउट कार्गो वाला?
हाँ 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 हाँ, उसमें अगर आपका और कोई कार्गो नहीं है तो नहीं आएगा। अगर वेसल के ऊपर कुछ कार्गो होता है तो हमारा एफआरओबी जो मैंने आपको बताया सेम बॉटम कार्गो, वो खाली डिफाइन होगा। बाकी तो आपका एक्सपोर्ट मिल ही जाएगा ऐसा।
ओके ओके
ठीक
सर,
है,
लेकिन ये मुझे थोड़ा वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ
ठीक है, दिक्कत
हाँ,
फर्दर।
केस टू केस, हाँ
हेलो
केस टू केस मेरे साथ में कभी भी बताना। हाँ लंबा टाइम हो
नो
गया वैसे
प्रॉब्लम,
तो, 2 घंटे का हो
थैंक यू।
गया। हाँ बताइए। हेलो,
हाँ सर, अभी नया है सबसे सर, सबको ही से पूछ रहा है सर, थोड़ा
सर
इसीलिए
एक
टाइम
एक
है।
क्वेश्चन है सर,
हाँ
हेलो सर।
हाँ जी सर।
हेलो सर, एक क्वेश्चन है सर। ये
हाँ
सैम फाइल में हम लोग पहले ट्रायल बेसिस में जब डाल रहा था, ये ट्रांसिट कार्गो को ले रहा है। नेक्स्ट पुट ऑफ कॉल जो
वॉइस आपका कट हो गया, फिर से बोलिए ना आपका।
कार्गो जो तो मान लीजिए फॉर एग्जांपल सर, ये ट्रांसिट कार्गो के बारे में सर, सैम
हाँ
में पहले जब ट्रायल वर्जन चल रहा था उसी वक्त एक्सेप्ट कर रहा था। मान लीजिए वाइजैक का कुछ पार्ट कार्गो है, नेक्स्ट पोर्ट का कुछ
हाँ
पार्ट कार्गो रहने से हम क्लियरली मेंशन कर रहा था
हाँ
डेस्टिनेशन वाइजैक बीएल का
हाँ
वाइजैक और कैलकाटा बीएल का कैलकाटा एक्सेप्ट कर
हाँ
रहा था। लेकिन अभी
हाँ।
ऐसा देने से इनवैलिड पोर्ट ऑफ डेस्टिनेशन बोल के एरर आ रहा है सर।
वो आप रेज करना मेरे पास में, आप भेजना, अपन चेक करेंगे उसको। आप ईमेल है ना,
हाँ ठीक है
आईडी
सर।
मेरे पास, उस पर भेजना, अपन चेक करेंगे क्या है इश्यू। हाँ
ओके।
Vinod bhai, what is the procedure for demolition vessel? How to file SDM for the
मेरा पास है,
demolition
मैं भेज
vessel?
देता हूँ सर।
डिमोलिशन वेसल।
Yeah.
Expire one in the keep on a point.
Nil SDM has to be filed to complete the cycle. Nil SDM has to be filed without any cargo. And for these actually, in case actually the vessel is demolishing, there is no going further, then there will be no sailing, etc. So I don't think actually this should be mandatory, but you have to get in touch with your local customs actually to file technically in case you want to file the SDM. So it will be a nil cargo SDM without any cargo. Huh?
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. I think actually we can close now. It's already half an hour. In case any questions, I can still answer that.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes. Hello.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था, जैसे अभी फर्स्ट के लिए एक सेम क्वेश्चन था कि
Your
रिपोर्ट में
voice
कोई
is not
एजेंट लेके आ रहा है
again. Come back again. Actually, your voice is not clear. Yes.
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि क्वेश्चन ये था कि जैसे इंपोर्ट में एजेंट ए लेके आ रहा है
हाँ
और बी को लोड करना है, तो बी अगर एसडीएम फाइल करेगा
हाँ
तो जैसे हम प्रीवियस सॉफ्टवेयर में कर रहे थे तो उसमें कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं था और इजीली हो पा रहा था।
हाँ
अभी इसमें आप जैसे बता रहे थे कि ये पैन नंबर मैंडेटरी है,
पैन
उसी
नंबर
से ये
मैंडेटरी।
इसको पकड़ेगा।
हाँ।
तो सर ये कैसे होगा? मतलब
ये आइसगेट कस्टम के साथ में ही रेज करना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली। मैं तो टेक्निकल आपको ये चीज बताऊंगा। ये हमने पहले भी, मैंने किसी का, आपका ही क्वेश्चन था या किसी और का था, ये मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया एक्चुअली कि हाँ, तो ये एक्चुअली वहीं से ही आइसगेट या कस्टम के साथ में ही आपको रेज करना पड़ेगा। और कोई ऐसा सिचुएशन अभी आया है क्या? अगर आया है तो इमीडिएटली कस्टम्स जो है ना वो उसको हैंडल करता है ऐसा।
ऐसा दिए तो एक्सपोर्ट कार्गो के लिए
टेक्निकल,
ये टेस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा।
हाँ, तो वो टेक्निकल लेवल पे, उसमें यहाँ पे सॉफ्टवेयर लेवल पे या टेक्निकल लेवल पे मैं बता सकता हूँ क्या चीज जो है वो चेक होता है। जैसे मैं आपको पैन कार्ड बताया ना, लेकिन अगर उससे कुछ डिविएशन होता है ना तो ये क्वेरीज जो है आपको रेज करनी पड़ेंगी। ऐसी छोटी छोटी कई सारी क्वेरीज है जिसकी वजह से भी एक्चुअली एसडीएम जो है वो अभी इम्प्लीमेंट डिफरमेंट वो कर रहे हैं, ऐसा अंदाजा। तो ये आपको जो भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने वाले हैं ना, कस्टम या आइसगेट, उनके साथ में टाइम टू टाइम ये चीज रेज करना पड़ेगा सो दैट दे कैन गेट अवेयर के ये टाइप के इश्यूज आ सकते हैं ऐसा। एंड दे आर वेरी एक्टिव टू रिजॉल्व दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेरीज बिकॉज अभी बहुत आगे बढ़ चुका है अपना सैम का फाइलिंग और एससीआई का जो फाइलिंग होता है वो प्रॉपरली हो रहा है। तो इसमें ज्यादा ध्यान दे के वो लोग रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हैं।
हेलो सर।
यस।
Hello, sir. I calling GSC Haldia.
Yes.
His vessel is selling water ballast, but
Yeah.
before selling, he taking the bunker.
Okay.
It is mandatory to mention its SDM.
In SDM, if it is export cargo, then you have to mention.
No,
Otherwise,
this is bunker.
Bunker means the ship stores, right?
Yeah, ship stores.
So only thing is you have to update your ship store PDF file into eSanchit and define a new IRN number. And SDM is mandatory in case actually it is sailing in ballast also. So you have to file, blank SDM without cargo SDM, which I've shown you in the presentation.
No, for the bunker, there is a shipping bill is generated.
Okay. So in case shipping bill is generated, then you have to file,
Yes, yes, sir.
mention that. You have to mention that.
Before that, sir, before that, we are mentioned in the EGM bunker. That's why the Indian oil or their benefit the custom duty, all this thing.
Okay. So previously also in EGM also you are filing the shipping bill number for bunker. So similarly you have to file in this only. In case shipping bill is generated, then you have to file according to as an export cargo.
But no have any BL or MR anything.
No, BL is in case you do not have, then I also explained in case BL number is not available, then you have to file using this shipping bill number. Somehow actually they are asking for BL number, but in case BL number is not available in various scenarios, actually BL number is not available at the time of sailing. So that you have to adjust and you have to provide some dummy details like that.
And sometimes these
are the actually questions you have to raise with IceGate. In case BL number is not available, then what to do? But they are suggesting in various meetings actually, in case BL number is not available, then you can mention the shipping bill number.
Okay.
So BL number, so shipping bill number and BL number could be same.
Yeah, you have to mention it in somehow. In case you are not having BL number, then how you can file? So that is what the middle part is.
Suppose shipping bill number is 001, and if I put the BL number is 00, that will accept, I think.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes we have a shipping bill also multiple shipping bill number of different of the grade of the cargo. It means bunker grade.
Okay.
It is
multiple
also
shipping bill number.
Same procedure.
Yes, same procedure, same as export actually. In case shipping bill number is generated, then it should be considered as export cargo.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good night, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if the vessel is coming from Singapore, is part cargo discharge at Ennore,
yeah,
and some cargo going to Vizag and some cargo going to Kakinada, like that.
Yes.
Okay, we filing transit cargo, right?
You are filing
transit cargo.
Okay.
The transit cargo filing time.
Cargo. Yeah.
Yes. Vessel type is we put FI or II.
No, vessel type doesn't have to be based on cargo. It is based on the last port call. You are filing at Ennore, right?
Yes, filing at Ennore.
So your vessel is coming from foreign port and coming to Ennore.
Yes.
So at the time of filing of SAM, you have to mention as FI because your last port is foreign port.
Yes.
Okay. Now at the time of filing SDM, you have to mention II because your next port of calling is Kolkata or Vizag, INVTZ1.
Okay.
So at the time of SDM, you have to mention II because your next port calling is this Indian port.
Yes, we can change.
Suppose the same vessel.
Yes, you have to change.
Same vessel is going to foreign also. From Calcutta, it is going to Vizag, then going to Colombo. Then what will be the vessel route?
Next port of call is only important. After that, there is no provision. Next port means from if you are filing at Kolkata, then II. If you are filing at Vizag, then it will be FI. Next port of calling.
Okay, sir. Another one thing. This cargo is cargo for next two port, Kakinada and Baj means.
Okay.
We should mention all cargo, no?
Which one?
We should mention all cargo. It's all BL.
All BLs have to be mentioned at Ennore.
Yes.
All BLs has to be mentioned. Whatever comes at Ennore, that you have to mention in your arrival BL, and whatever it goes to next.
Same bottom cargo. Okay.
Yes. So same bottom cargo is to be done.
That is in we mentioned in the transit cargo.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So Thanks everyone for joining.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for your guidance, sir. We'll try our best to cope up with the new system. If anything goes wrong, we'll always knocking you, sir.
Yes, definitely. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good night.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
good
you,
night.
Vinod sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, Vinod bhai. Bye.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.